This is Project Sketch Part 2 for Education 407. My name is Frank J. Garcia. Here we go. Now, the purpose behind this Part 2 of my project sketch is that I realized I was overlooking some of the original requirements from the assignment and also that I needed to add some new ones. So the background remains the same, as does the concept. However, the driving question had to be changed. Considering this is I realized this had to be a collaboration project. I realized that I needed to split the work into two to make this a partnership. Now, I'm still open to suggestions if it could be made into a project for three, but at this point, I don't see any reason why I need more than two students on each project. So the new driving question: how can you, as partners, design and build a suitable storage space for your object of choice? As stated before, the duration will remain the same. The breakdown. The project description, however, did need to be tweaked. Originally, the blueprint portion of this project required for one student to complete an entire blueprint of the storage unit, the vehicle, and them in the same place. However, the new requirement is for the students to choose which does the blueprint of the storage unit while the other has to do a blueprint of the vehicle. And then they will turn in a third blueprint of them combining their findings. Now, again, here is a rough sketch of the blueprint. One student will require to have a blueprint of this, the storage unit, while the other will have to create a blueprint of the vehicle of choice. And then finally, they will have to create a collaboration blueprint. The scale model of the project description will remain the same. However, I will not enforce that the students have to build their portion of the project. Considering everything has to move smoothly together, I recommend that the students will build the project together at the same time. For the write-up portion, each student is still required to return in their own write-up for the assignment. Therefore, at the end of this assignment, the students are required to turn in a blueprint of the storage unit, a blueprint of the vehicle, a collaboration blueprint, one scale model, and two write-ups. So as I was trying to say earlier, the reason behind this project is that originally students just have to look at a paper with two or three dimensional shapes and have to solve problems using those. However, with this project, they have to discover the shapes for themselves. They inevitably learn that geometry is all around them wherever they look. In terms of technology, I'm still struggling to see what kind of tools or technology I could use in this assignment, and I'm open to suggestions. And also, in the end, students have to inevitably remember the core standard for geometry at this level. So, collaborating with one another helps them retain the information and also get help if needed from one of their peers. And that is my project sketch part 2. Hope you liked it.